Hello everyone and welcome to 4500 Venice Avenue in Ozark, Missouri. This practically brand new home is located in the very sought after subdivision of Old World Estates. I'm Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors at Murney Associates Realtors. I'm excited to give you a look inside this 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 3-car garage home that is just under 1,750 square feet. While this home is basically new construction, it does come with some great upgrades. These include no carpet throughout the whole home. It's an upgraded flooring throughout, updated shower fixtures, updated faucets, and updated light fixtures. In the 3-car garage, you'll find an anchored storm shelter that stays with the home, and in the attic, some additional flooring for storage. This beautiful split bedroom floor plan has a master that has an enormous ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet. This living area has a gas fireplace with a shiplap front and opens to a beautiful kitchen with upgraded granite countertops and brand new appliances that stay with the home. Enjoy your morning coffee or your outdoor meals under this beautiful covered deck that opens up to a large, fully fenced backyard and newly installed graveled patio area. Thank you for joining me on this video walkthrough of 4500 Venice Avenue in Ozark, Missouri. I'm Stella Chamberlain with Chamberlain Realtors at Murney Associates Realtors. Should you have any questions or you'd like a private showing, please feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks and have a great day.